Did you hear that?
Noise pollution is a widespread and growing problem with significant effects on both people and the environment. Traffic noise has been recognized by the World Health Organization as a serious public health issue. Long-term noise exposure has several detrimental effects on health, with noise irritations being one of the more prevalent ones. It is also known to aggravate people, disrupt sleep, raising the risk of cardiovascular disease, and have an adverse effect on mental health. One of the main causes of noise pollution in the modern world is unrelenting advancements of infrastructure and urbanizations. The development of buildings, roads, bridges, and other vital infrastructure has become a distinguishing feature of modern life as cities enlarge to accommodate growing population. The rumble of motors, the screech of brakes, and the honking of horns all add to the metropolitan soundscape, particularly during rush hour. The Department of Environment has recognized the Malaysian city's average transportation's noise level, which is 71.6 decibel during the day and 70.4 decibel at night, while the permissible limit for the residential area should not exceed 65 decibel. To evaluate road traffic noise, numerous models have been created and used. Techniques for structural equations modeling (SEM) are useful for determining important elements, putting complex hypothetical relationships to the test, and assessing how strongly links between factors hold true. By using PLS-SEM, the relationship between the attribute factors can be explained by road noise levels, which can be attributed to three categories of factors. The first one is traffic characteristic. Second, infrastructure characteristic and environmental conditions. The result of PLS-SEM shows the path relations among all attribute factors. Therefore, we can know the direct and indirect effects of traffic noise levels. Department of Environment Malaysia lists a number of strategies that can be used to reduce noise at the source stage, such as road alignment, vehicle speed limits, operating hours, and traffic restrictions for heavy vehicles, buffer zone implementations, construction workmanship, vehicle noise emissions control, and road maintenance. Installing screens or barriers in the path of such pre-filled sound propagations will create a much calmer area behind the noise barrier, also known as an acoustic shadow, which helps to filter sound waves. Trees and buses have the ability to absorb noise by transforming sound waves into thermal energy. Sound absorption is the process that lessens noise that reaches the earth. A physical barrier created by trees and shrubs can help lessen the volume of noise that enters a space.